You having fun?
You like my ride?
Nice ride.
Thanks.
Get it. Get it. Alright, so first things first, this photo shoot was supposed to be solo. So my initial plan was to break down and explain to you guys my settings that I used for each photo. So I was going to explain ISO set at 100, frame rate set at 60, shutter speed. I was going to explain all that. So that being said, with Anthony joining me for the photo shoot, I really wasn't able to give you guys like an in-depth explanation on how I was shooting. So next photo shoot, I'm gonna go solo, and I will be able to explain to you guys all the settings and how I go about shooting some of these photos. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like I said, we have a Cars and Coffee tomorrow morning, so we will be capturing that, and I will be releasing a video more than likely tomorrow night. So hope you guys have a good weekend, and I will catch you on the next one. It's about 8:30. It's about golden hour, and I'm about to do some photos. I haven't taken some good photos of this car in a while, so that's what we're about to go do. All right, got the handy dandy Canon. And we got our phone.
You know that guy?
It's Anthony. The one that lives right there.
Oh. I didn't know that.
He said he's cruising his, he just messaged me and said he's cruising his car. I was like, oh well, I'm about to head out myself. So
I didn't know his name.
yeah, it's Anthony. I know a lot of Anthony's.
Clearly.
You like
I
my
don't keep track of them.
you like my GoPro?
Nobody like you.
Look, vlogging.
That thing's low, dude.
This is my high setting. This is my. There we go. I'm about to go get some gas. I'm on quarter tank.
Yeah, I can do something too.
Fucking premium. I'm throwing like 10-15 bucks just to shoot some photos.
Where do you want to go?
So I'm thinking that dead end down there, that makes a good spot. There's also the warehouse right here, which
Warehouse is sweet.
I've got shots right there before, but there's so much industrial and shit around here.
Yeah.
I just
Well, let's go to the gas station, then we'll head down there.
sounds like a plan. Bye. All right, go get some gas first, and then we'll be on our way. Man, so my dumb ass just did a bunch of pulls, and I forgot I wasn't even wearing the GoPro. I've always wanted to shoot right here. Don't ask me why. I don't know. And then
I need a new fucking idle air control for this.
the smog is probably what's killing you.
The smog pump and the cat.
Oh yeah, cat 100%.
I wish all that damn rust was off of it.
Dude, who you saying? Yeah.
Damn.
All right. It's been a while since I've used the camera. Haven't broke this boy out in a while.
You hear that blow off?
It's fucking loud. Appreciate it, bro.
I always wanted a turbo car, man. Actually, I was saving up for a turbo car. Didn't really care what it was.
They're just super finicky, especially these, bro.
But then that deal came along, and I'm like, yep.
No, you got a good deal on your car.
Right. That's why I had to get the retro license plate too.
I've been seeing so many people with them plates.
Yeah, man, that plate is almost the exact same as the 1967 plate.
I figured a lot of people were going that way because of the retroness, you know.
Man, that fucker's low, dude.
I mean, dude, look.
Yeah, you can fit a credit card under there.
My last
It ain't
build.
that low.
My last build was on 17, so that thing was actually laying frame. These are 18s.
Is this thing decent on gas?
Now that it's like bigger turbo and all that, no, not really.
No.
And it's over boosting, so I really hope I didn't hurt my wastegate or something. We'll get the Firebird in the back. This boy's about to look good. You want to park in front of the car wash? You want to? Actually, it's cool right here with the water and shit.
I mean, shit, it's good right there, I think.
I'll edit them all nice too.
Hell yeah. I'll have the egg on Facebook.
I'll send them to you through like
That rust kill the fucking picture, though.
Nah, honestly, it's crazy what fucking pictures hide, bro. We'll keep the glare on this one.
My busted ass taillights. A lot of little things, you know. But come
Bro,
summer, man, this car is gonna have no dents, no rust.
Nah, man, you're good.
With that dash pad not being cracked,
For what the car is, dude.
that's fucking
All right, next spot. Low life. It's pretty bad. I'm on bags and I still struggle. All right, second spot, boys. Second spot. We're losing daylight. We gotta hurry. Sick. We're gonna shoot your car. Right here, so back up.
Back into there?
Yep. So go dead center. Actually, go straight. Straight, straight, straight. We're gonna go back like, probably like 10 more feet. Straighten it. Actually, yeah, straighten it. Pull forward a little bit. And then you wanna cut the wheel to the left a little bit. That's good. Yeah, right there. Let's get this done, boy. It's getting dark on me, but we can do it. It's gonna do a lot of editing, that's all.
That's gonna be sick though. That's a good picture.
I'm gonna get some off my phone because my phone picks up a lot. Come on, good doing that. I got one with my Jetta back here one time, and that shit was sick. Yeah, I'm just gonna have to do some editing, that's all. It's crazy what editing does, man.
Hell yeah.
Literally,
You
like,
got like a laptop with software and shit?
yeah. I honestly do a lot of it off my phone though.
Really?
Yeah, I do this. I use the same software, but off my phone.
I just wish you didn't have the damn dirt on it.
Man, honestly, dude. Honestly, it looks sweet.
I just washed this bitch yesterday, man, and then
It's gonna happen.
the day before yesterday.
It's gonna
And then the
fucking
next
happen.
day it rains on my way home. I'm like, what the fuck? Sheesh.
All right, made it home. So that's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed the POV/camera shoot. It's something a little different today, so hopefully the angle on the GoPro is all right.